Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add background music to your photos or videos on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option. After that, select a photo or video and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the music section and tap on it. Here you can find all of the available audio files, but you can also select from these categories at the top, such as sentimental, relaxing, sad, mysterious, and so on. If you have found one that you want to insert, tap and click on the plus icon. So here you can listen to it, and as you can see, it has been inserted to your video. If you want to replace it, tap on the three dots icon down below in the right side corner, tap on the replace button, and you will be directed to the previous page where you can select from these so tap on it and then it will be replaced, as you can see. If you want to delete it completely, tap on the three dots icon and then the delete button to get rid of that audio file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.